Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make a baby shower invitation template in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva and search it to Google. Then log into your Canva account. After logging in, you will find a search bar here. Click on this and write baby shower invitation. Press enter from your keyboard. After pressing enter, you will find baby shower invitations template. You have to just scroll down and you will find many templates. Just click one which is relevant to you or which is your choice preference. So let's choose one. Let's choose this one. If you like this template and if you want to customize this template, click here customize this template. After clicking on this template is available and ready for you. Now you can customize this. I'll show you how you can customize every portion. So now if you want to zoom it, just click on any space and click control from your keyboard and up scroll from the mouse. Control plus up scroll, it will zoom like this. Now you can see here Alfredo. You can edit this name by double clicking on this. Press backspace and write your name, Nick John or any. If you think your name is so big, so you can make it small by minus decreasing this. Okay, so you can, if you want to change the nickname color, name color, just double click and you can see here text color. Click on this and you will find many colors. You can choose any colors you want. Okay guys, so you can backspace and write your things here. Okay, so you can also change the date, also can change the time like I show you before. Just write here, just click and write here. Okay guys, so if you want to change this picture and if you want to add your baby picture here, just click on this and press backspace, it will be removed. Now go to uploads, upload files. Now you have to upload a file from your computer or the picture from the computer. After uploading this will be here like this. Just click on this and you have to adjust it with the frame by dragging with the mouse. Okay guys, it will be adjusted like this. So guys, if you want to add a custom picture here, go elements, right here baby shower. You will find many pictures here. Okay guys, so you can choose one and or you can write here baby and press enter from your keyboard. You will find many baby icon. Also you will find many baby picture. If you like this, just click on this will be here, and if you want to adjust it, just drag it by your mouse. This will be here like this. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how you can change the background color. Just click on space and you will find here color, background color, and go change any background color. You can change any color you want. Okay guys, if you don't like this, just click backspace, it will be removed. If you like this or if you want to make it undo, go here and undo this. Okay guys, so this is how basically you can make a baby shower invitation in Canva. So now I'm going to show you how you can download it. Go here and you can see here download. After clicking on download, this whole work will be downloaded in your system. Or if you want to send direct via mail, just go here, collaborate link, and anyone with the link, and write here the email address you want to share with. Gmail, @ If you click on send button, after pressing email address, click on send. After clicking send, this whole work will be sent to this email address. Okay guys, so this is how basically you can make a baby shower invitation card in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.